We're joined by Michael Kaplan with Phase 2 Advantage. Michael, you have been teaching with Project Aries Labs for quite some time. What would you say to instructors who are concerned about adopting Project Aries as a new tech tool for teaching?
Angela, thanks for having me. What I would tell them is that the way Project Aries is set up, because of the supporting materials, books, slides, the syllabi, the way the labs are structured, the way the training support is structured, it's actually a turnkey solution. So all those fears associated with incorporating anything new and trying to figure out how it's going to fit inside an existing system really doesn't exist at this point. All the hard work has been done, the heavy lifting's been done, and once they discover that, life gets easy. And really, at the end of the day, besides for some basic training and understanding of the platform functionality, after that, everything takes care of itself. In fact, I would argue that the majority of these instructors spend more time auditing textbooks for their classes than they would actually taking this entire turnkey solution, understanding it at a basic level, and incorporating it into their existing programs.